Hello, welcome to the long-awaited release of version 3 of the Amazon S3 video and download protection plugin. I've worked long and hard and added some very powerful new features, but before I get into that, I first want to make sure that you are aware of what goes on the internet. Did you know that it's very simple for these thieves to steal your bandwidth? They can steal your video. They can share your archive links to your downloads. All this is very easily done, but my plugin prevents all of this from happening. It basically will stop the downloading of your valuable videos. So you have videos that you don't want to share, you want people to be able to watch but not download and copy onto their PC, and they can do whatever they want with them. No problem. We'll lock them down for you. It's no problem whatsoever. We will stop bandwidth theft. This will cost you money. People can easily come to your site, go up, copy your embedded code, go and paste it on their website, and now they're streaming your video from your location, stealing your bandwidth from your website, which is costing you money. Trust me, it happens. It happens all the time. Now, locking your downloads with time expire links will prevent people from basically sharing your links, because 99% of the time they'll take your link and they'll put it into an email and blast it out to their friends. Well, your expire time will have expired by the time that's all accomplished, and they won't have access to your file. You can also build protected download links of the files in one folder with one command. Basically, on your Amazon, you just say, I want all the files of this type, and it will build them for you. It'll build links to every single one of those files in that bucket. It's really simple. Not only that, is your video streaming is super fast because it uses the cloud up on CloudFront. It's the fastest video streaming possible. It's very quick. Now for the new features. Guess what? It's mobile friendly, works on all devices, Android, iPhone, tablets, you name it, it works. There's a tablet and there's an Android. I'm pulling in a video on one of my sites. Now this next feature is absolutely amazing. Now you can load your videos on any website that you own. Your plugin now becomes a global database of all your videos. So now you can take code, put it on any site that you own anywhere on the web, and you can pull in and stream your videos from your blog to onto this site, and basically it's 100% protected. If somebody takes that code, puts it on their website, sorry, no video will play. They can't download it. They can't do anything. Very powerful stuff. Now your plugin has now just gone global. It's an amazing new feature. And there I am pulling in a video on one of my sites using this option. You can set the video display in overlay to global or per video. The previous versions, the videos were streamed via an overlay. That overlay is still present, of course, but now you can turn it on or turn it off globally or per video. And basically, if you turn it off, it embeds it into the page. Of course, it's 100% protected. And the right-click disable, that was also a helpful security feature. However, it's not 100% necessary. And people with membership sites where they have people right-clicking to download zip files and stuff like that, it's possible that they don't want this, so now they can turn it off. You can turn it off globally, or you can turn it off per video. Okay, here's a video in an overlay, so you can turn that on or turn it off globally, like I stated before. And you can have it in page, which is the new feature now, that it now embeds it into the page, like like you see on normal blogs. They prefer them in page, and now that is now an option for you. This can be set globally or per video. Your download links. You can auto build links by using a file extension. That means that you can say, I want all the files in this bucket with a .zip or .mp3 or .pdf, and it will automatically build your table of downloads to every one of those files, time expired. You can do it on a one file basis. Like go to this folder, grab this file, and build the link. So you can say you're going to get all files or one file. Another powerful feature is to set multiple download commands to one shortcode. That means you can say, I want this folder or this bucket, all of these files of .zip. I want this bucket, all the PDFs in this bucket, and I want all the MP4 files in this bucket. One shortcode which builds one table. So you don't have to add 3 different shortcodes for 3 different buckets. You can build them all into one download table. One-click edits for the download table, background colors, text, and text colors. This will help you blend it into your site colors. So basically, here's a download table with the light blue background and the white text of the download your files, and click the links below to download. That text can be edited, that color can be edited for the text, and so can the background. All right, and it builds. That's what your download table would look like, and it self builds it for you automatically. You'll never find a plugin that does everything that my plugin does. I guarantee it. I've done my research. I have never found one on the internet that even comes close to what mine does. You may find one that does part of it or does this part of it, but not combined. Absolutely not. You won't find it. You'll need to purchase multiple plugins and spend 3 to 4 times as much, and I can almost guarantee you're not going to get a developer's license. I know of one plugin just off the top of my head that does a few things that mine does, and it's a $97 product. You're not going to pay that, but that's what that product's worth, and you don't get any. It's a one-site install. Okay, but you can pick up a developer's license for much less than that. And the great thing about it is you'll never have to worry about support. I'm always available. I know it's happened to me. I've bought something, and the person that I bought it from, I can never find, or I can never track down. They don't answer my emails. They don't do anything, and I get real frustrated. Well, you don't have to worry about that with me, and you can read some of the testimonials but below on my sales letter that will state that I'm there for you. Not only that, you'll have access to a customer-only Skype room. So I'm online all the time, and I'll be monitoring that room all the time as well. You can just beat me, or you can just, all you have to do is just basically type in a message and send it, and I'll get a pop-up to it, and take it from there. We can do screen share if you have any issues. We can do all kinds of things. It's a real great way to communicate with customers. Also, I have a support desk you can use. And regarding the Skype room, it's possible that even if I'm not around, there could be somebody in there that can help you. So you could just ask a question and say, is anybody here that can help me with this? And if somebody's there, they probably will help you. I strongly suggest you pick this up now. Scroll down and click that payment button. This offer is not going to last very long. It's especially at this price. And you're getting a huge value for your dollar. You don't have to buy a developer's license if you don't want to. You don't have to buy a multi-license if you don't want to. You can get a single license, but that's up to you. Please read the restrictions and everything that goes along with each version down below, okay, before you purchase. And I'll see you on the inside. You have a great day.